I say, me can Emram share me YouTube channel I say, and I say my YouTube journey I say. I was very desperate for subscribers. Inti, me na ma wa me share be I me catch you say, please subscribe to my channel. Cause Charlie, many black no. Cause that time na me name say me pay 1k subscribers. And me nyanya 1k subscribers ni me na me ye wada. Me to menya aye 4,000 watch hours ni ntino. But that for be and so be a me name ni be I me share me pay. They make show no. Oh, me share more channel be kona subscribe mami. And se ko ba se ibia me know you fine as a phone team be di me nsemu a. Me timi hwia me ho secretly na my den. Ma subscribe to me my channel on all phones so without telling you. Me decide you man because now I was so focused on getting the 1k subscribers to the sense I was not even thinking about creating content, and I said the type of content I was creating. All I was thinking about is 1k subscribers, 1k subscribers, 1k subscribers, and no one will meet them. It is a me for cap when I say I mistake me shall be a minimum no can say or sereshemia. Mistakenly was sereshemia and one no. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Share. Na sa time ni bra bre no. So oye mistake pe. Na say o sereshemia na so do ho hyehyemia. Me akasa kwa na msa ya ho hyehyɛ because of say people kwa ya me no be free ni maka cho say me go YouTube channel di ko subscribe mami. And at that time so no me calculation say within a day say me nya be nipa 10 am subscribe to my channel, which means say each be a middle 1,000 no. And I feel so the kind of people I meet every day, and I say the kind of person I meet here every single day. Go for phone so by me some pa. Inti me imagine say okay, so phones be by me some bia. So be quiet in the phone chem say oh, Mr. Boy, me settings with mommy. I'll make sure I'll use that phone to subscribe to the channel. Cause massa, shall say any bra no ye pay 1k no. Cause any 1k subscribers are. Yes, any 1k subscriber. Subscribe to your channel company and you free. So little did I know say it is hurting my channel rather than helping my channel grow. And it's say most of the people are me on my phone secretly and subscribe to my channels no. And I say even the catch from say almost subscribe to my channel. Our model ferry and subscribe no. They are not interested in me channel only idea me no. They are not even interested in YouTube. But me na me force more subscribe to my channel. And I say me na me subscribe Until at the end of the day, say nipa no wa on subscribe later and I say stay cramp subscribe wa. Me post video nipa na nhwe because onye interested. On hwe ana afisi so no say nipa no wa subscribers nhwe video a. Na che say YouTube che say one kasa no mo subscribe to channel mo nhwe video dia. E dey na che say video no a good idea say me push video no akoma obi fufura on subscribe to channel. Say wa wo fifo say omunye den omunji wundum na de a wo ye no mo nhwe a e dey na kire say abonte so fo obehwe. So at the end of the day no me subscribe to me do bia phones and me nya phones be dey subscribe to me channel, but e bi akiri no na me channel no nko na bi gina obi an subscribe to me channel, so me drop videos obi an share the videos that I was dropping and the subscribers are me subscribe and I me bomb more than subscriber no. It was hurting me. So na do time I was say me nya omo akasa person omo subscribe to the channel ne omo akasa person omo hwe. And sometimes I didn't know that, so I ended up wasting my time and committing me that creating content and making me learning new idea or new things to do about my content, and I said to help me create a good content, and I say good stuff. So I wasted that time trying to convince people to subscribe to my channel. Once I made it to channel, so it's not worth the person time. So in case of someone show YouTube channel, it's not so Sasubaya na me no. Now so yibia Mr. Jai. Because you realize say no matter how we subscribers no views no encourage and other videos na say subscribers at least 50% and I say even 30% of subscribers and share video na YouTube enya na just be push video na then akode dem am fufu so ahwe. Simple as that. Sanity. It is the first time I'll show me if you HY. And you know exactly how we do it. Say okay, my channel on the page and now call playlist on my YouTube journey on playlist for the share more videos on my YouTube journey. And it's the first time. Thanks for watching this. I see you in the next one. Macron.